with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. John.
Glory to you, O Lord.
At that time, Jesus left Samaria for Galilee. For Jesus himself testified that a prophet has no honor in his native place. When he came into Galilee, the Galileans welcomed him, since they had seen all he had done in Jerusalem at the feasts. For they themselves had gone to the feast. Then he returned to Cana in Galilee, where he had made the water wine. Now there was a royal official whose son was ill in Capernaum. When he heard that Jesus has arrived in Galilee from Judea, he went to him and asked him to come down and heal his son, who was near death. Jesus said to him, "Unless you people see signs and wonders, you will not believe." The royal official said to him, "Sir, come down before my child dies." Jesus said to him, "You may go, your son will live." The man believed what Jesus said to him and left. While the man was on his way back, his slaves met him and told him that his boy would live. He asked them when he began to recover. They told him, "The fever left him yesterday before 1 in the afternoon." The father realized that just at that time, Jesus had said to him, "Your son will live." And he and his whole household came to believe. Now this was the second sign Jesus did when he came to Galilee from Judea. My friends, the Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters.
Good afternoon, Father.
Ganado yung choir natin, no? Very good. Sana everyday, gano'n. Sir, pwede po ba? Just kidding, baka busy, no? But I affirm, very nice singing. Unless you people see signs and wonders, you will not believe. Is that true?
No.
Hello. Unless you people see signs and wonders, you will not believe. Tama ba yun? I remember when I was a child, I loved watching magic shows. Gusto pa ba yun? Yung magic shows. We love watching magic shows. And whenever I watch magic, I always get amazed. Paano nakakati yung katawan, paano nagiging kalapati ang apoy, paano nagiging coke yung tubig, and so on. The newspaper, how come it would become a picture? Diba? Yung mga ganun magic tricks. I always get amazed. But as a child, I always have this curiosity of knowing how. At kapag nabubugin na natin, kapag nalalaman ko na, ay, hindi naman pala totoo. Kasi di ba ganun? Yung totoo ba yan? No? You'll be amazed, but you want to know if that's real. Well, Jesus is right in saying, unless you people see signs and wonders, you will not believe. This was his answer to the royal official whose son was ill in Capernaum. As Jesus returned to Cana in Galilee, where he performed the first miracle. What is the first miracle?
water into wine.
Turning water into wine. When did it happen?
Wedding
During a
feast
wedding
in Cana.
Cana. That's right. So imagine, they were in Galilee and the royal official is from Capernaum. His son is in Capernaum. It's just like this. How far is Capernaum to Galilee? Well, like in our story, it took 1 day of travel. Yung kalayo. 1 day to travel from Cana to Galilee. Of course, during that time, there's no means of transportation. So they walk. So malayo pa rin. Na malayo. But this royal official begged Jesus to heal his son, the dying son. This father is not an ordinary man because he is a royal official, a centurion. And what is that? A captain who has many soldiers subject to his authority and power. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya ordinaryo, makapangyarihan siya. He has many soldiers under his authority. If he says, go here, they will come. If he would say, go there, the soldiers will go somewhere. Ganun siya ka-powerful. But, even though he is powerful, he recognizes Jesus is more powerful than him. Iba yung power niya sa power ni Jesus. He has authority over people, but Jesus has authority over sickness. Kung siya, ang inuutusan niya, ako. Si Jesus ang inuutusan, sakit. Umalis ka. Kaya utusan ni Jesus ang sakit. That's how powerful Jesus is. But look at this. What happened? Jesus usually heals sick by putting his hands over their head, by touching them. Ganun siya magpagaling. But how could Jesus heal if he is in Cana, in Galilee, and the sick is in Capernaum? Layo. And this is where the miracle happened. He did not need to touch the sick to be healed. All he had to do is to say the word, and the centurion should believe. Sabihin lang ni Jesus, hindi kailangan hawakan. Salita lang ni Jesus, gagaling. But it will only happen if the centurion will believe. What happened? The centurion believed. You know, one thing, Jesus could not come over to the house of the centurion. Not only because it's far, but because Jesus is a Jew. And the centurion was a Gentile. Hindi pwede. Bakit? Magkaaway sila. Magkaaway ang Hudyo at ang mga Gentile. But not Jesus, ha? Bawal yun. So, a Jew would enter a house of a Gentile is no-no. Bawal. But more than that, Jesus do not need or doesn't need to say or to enter the house just to heal the sick. He just have to say the word. And the man or the boy would be healed. This is what our gospel is opening us to, a kind of belief. This is the kind of belief that Jesus is looking for. Because he knows that people would only believe if we see signs and wonders. Kaya nga, yung saying na to see is to believe, iba yan yung paniniwala natin. I won't believe unless I see. Who said that? Thomas. Thomas. Diba? He doubted Jesus' resurrection. Kaya sabi niya, unless I put my finger on on his hand, and I put my hand on his side, I don't believe. Ganun tayo. To see is to believe. Gusto muna natin makita bago tayo maniwala. But Jesus is looking for a different kind of belief that though people do not see, yet they will still believe. My dear brothers and sisters, for those who do not believe, no sign is enough. But for those who believe, no sign is necessary. Just a thought to provoke you. Bakit ganun? When it comes to God, we want to see things before we believe. But when it comes to voting politician, you believe even if you do not see. Hello? Yan. Ganyan tayo eh. No? Pag sa Diyos, ang lupit natin. Oh, maniniwala lang ako sa iyo, Lord, kung pagagalingin mo nanay ko. Maniniwala ako sa iyo, Lord, kung papasa ako sa board exam. Maniniwala ako sa iyo, Lord, kung bibigay mo ito. Isn't it? But when politician approaches you, say promises. Oh, ang dali nating maniwala kahit wala naman tayong nakikita ginagawa. Hello? To see is to believe. Unless you people see signs and wonders, you will not believe.